Hi, my name is Courtney Benson-Kooy, and I'm a criminal defense attorney in Indianapolis, Indiana at Eskew Law, and I want to talk to you a little bit about OVWIs today. And specifically what I want to talk about is I see a lot of people being pulled over by the police and refusing to take a chemical breath test or a chemical test as far as getting your blood drawn to see what your blood alcohol level is. And I know it feels like attorneys are always saying, don't cooperate with the police, don't cooperate with the police. Well, that's true in a lot of situations, but in Indiana, by driving on the road, you're impliedly consenting to those breath tests. And so what happens is if you refuse to take one of those tests, if they either want to draw your blood or do a chemical breath test back at the station, your license is automatically suspended for 1 year. And there's nothing that I can really do as an attorney to get your license back at that point. If you consent to the test, there are things that we can do for you to help you. We can try to get you specialized driving privileges so you can drive back and forth to work, to church, to school, those kind of things. But when you refuse those chemical breath tests or that chemical blood test, that's when our hands are kind of tied. So when it comes to OVWIs and they want you to consent to a chemical breath test or a blood draw, my advice would be to go ahead and submit to those things. That way you can at least have some form of transportation during the pendency of your case.